Get ready for the ultimate zoom out flag quiz. Watch the colors and shapes as they zoom out and name the country. Let's see how many medals you can unlock. Let's go. Let's go for the rookie level. You need to guess at least 9 out of 11 flags correctly to unlock this medal. Let's go. Portugal was the one hidden. That's right, it's United States. The flag is Brazil. Did you know? The Amazon rainforest and river cover a massive portion of this vibrant nation. It's Germany. Here is a hint. Look closely at the colors and patterns appearing as it zooms out.
That's right, it's Australia!
Did you know? This country is home to the Great Barrier Reef, the largest coral reef system in the world. That's right, it's Japan! Italy was the one hidden! The flag is Mexico! Spain was the one hidden! China was the one hidden. Did you know this country built a massive Great Wall that spans thousands of miles? It's Canada. Did you know this country has more lakes than the rest of the world combined? Did you get 8 right in this round? You unlocked the rookie medal. Leave a like and subscribe if you love geography challenges. Let's get back to the flags. Welcome to the Challenger level. You need to get at least 8 out of 11 flags right to unlock the Challenger medal. Can you do it? The flag is Switzerland. The flag is Turkey. The flag is Sweden. Here is a hint. Look closely at the colors and patterns appearing as it zooms out. It's Ukraine! It's South Korea! The flag is India. Poland was the one hidden. That's right, it's Greece. That's right, it's Norway. It's Denmark. Albania was the one hidden. Did you guess 8 correctly? If so, you unlocked the Challenger medal. Subscribe to the channel and comment below which rank medal you unlocked today. Let's go for the specialist level. You need 8 out of 11 correctly guessed flags to unlock the specialist medal. Get ready! Chile was the one hidden! Did you know this country is home to the Atacama Desert, the driest non-polar desert in the world? The flag is Finland. Did you know this country has been ranked as the happiest in the world for several consecutive years? This one is super tricky on zoom out mode. Don't blink or you might miss it. Venezuela. England. The flag is Serbia. The flag is Belgium. Did you know this country is world-renowned for its chocolate, waffles, and over 1,000 types of beer? Uruguay was the one hidden. The flag is Croatia. Did you know the city of Dubrovnik in this country was a major filming location for Game of Thrones? It's Austria. Did you know this country is the birthplace of classical music legends like Mozart and Strauss? That's right, it's Wales. That's right, it's Colombia. If you guessed 8 right, awesome job! You unlocked the Specialist Medal. Are you enjoying the Zoom Out quiz? Make sure to hit that subscribe button for daily quizzes. Let's continue. Entering the Elite Champion level, the illusions are getting tougher. You need at least 7 out of 11 to unlock this Elite medal. Let's do this! Bangladesh! Did you know this country is home to the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest in the world? This one is super tricky on zoom out mode. Don't blink or you might miss it. Georgia. Panama. That's right, it's Egypt. Did you know this country is home to the ancient pyramids of Giza and the Sphinx? Cyprus. Bhutan was the one hidden. Did you know this nation measures its success using the Gross National Happiness Index? Nepal. The flag is South Africa. Bolivia was the one hidden. Did you know this country contains the Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat? That's right, it's Bahrain! Did you know This island nation is connected to Saudi Arabia by the 25-kilometer-long King Fahd Causeway. Vietnam was the one hidden! Did you get 9 right? Incredible job! You unlocked the Elite Champion Medal. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with a friend to see who gets a higher score. Let's go! This is the final test, the Genius level. Only the best can get 7 out of 10 right to unlock the legendary Genius Medal. Prove your skills. This one is super tricky on zoom out mode. Don't blink or you might miss it. Armenia. Angola. Did you know the traditional music and dance style kizomba originated in this country? Algeria. Antigua and Barbuda. That's right, it's Botswana! Did you know? This country is home to the Okavango Delta, a massive inland river system. It's Andorra! Aruba! Did you know? This Caribbean island features a famous natural pool called Conchi. The flag is Argentina! Did you know this country is the birthplace of the tango dance? Did you guess 9 correctly? If so, you unlocked the Genius Medal. You made it to the end! Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment which rank medal you unlocked today. See you tomorrow!